Hey there, I'm at the airport in Vaasa. I'm on my way to Munich now. I'm going to the ISPO and I will be probably running with a camera like this over the fair to see what kind of new gear there is, get some cooperations going for the blog and also for the other company, and meet friends. So yeah, let's get traveling. Whoa, and hi from the ISPO in Munich. It's first day of the fair, Sunday. I already had 2 meetings and now I'm off to my 3rd one. And even if I'm really not keen to be here, I'm pretty excited to be here and go into all those meetings and see the cool new gear. So yeah, let's stay along and see what I find. Boom! Back in Finland from the ISPO and some skiing afterwards, which was really good. But yeah, the ISPO and all the gear and stuff. So you probably have seen all the 25 gear videos I've made. There's skis, bindings, clothing, backpacks, shoes, ski boots, and yeah, pretty much lots of stuff. So if you're curious about the companies I've met and the gear that was new and that caught my interest, watch these. I will link them there or there or there. And definitely at the end there's a whole playlist. The videos are only around a minute or two long, so it's very brief and very short. So if you want to get a quick update on what's new at ISPO about the gear, check these videos out. Anyway, all the gear and all the news at ISPO, I wrote about it on my blog, and there wasn't really a lot of super innovative new kit around. It was my 5th ISPO, so I've been there the last 5 years, and you just, I think the word is faded or jaded or something like that. You don't see that much any new things anymore, but what I really liked was that there was a lot of this kind of socially and environmentally made gear that the companies have been speaking about the last 3, 4, 5 years, but they never had anything to show. But now you had, like, there was mountain equipment with a recycled down jacket. So the down is recycled, the shell and the liner everything is recycled and can be recycled again. Because I'm very interested in this sustainability, recyclability, socially and environmentally well-made gear. So that's a lot of big words, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm really interested in these, and I think it is really positive that now it was not only Patagonia, Houdini, Paramo and a couple more which have done these kind of things already in the past, but now you got those really big companies that are starting to not only pay attention to this, but bring out gear that is really well made. So it's something that you definitely can go and take out to the hills and to the mountains for ski touring and everything. So that's really, really cool. And that was, for me, the biggest news at all of ISPO. There was no piece of gear that really blew me away. Yeah, but besides this key thing, this like a lot of outdoor gear that's now socially, environmentally, sustainably made, that was really, really positive for me. I really liked that there was so much of that around this time on the fair, and I imagine at the outdoor in Friedrichshafen in June, I think there's going to be even more of that, because there were quite a few big brands missing in Munich at the ISPO, which I know will be at the outdoor in Friedrichshafen in the summer. So I'm really looking forward to see what those companies come up with. And yeah, also the vibes in Friedrichshafen are always really positive, so really much looking forward to that. That is going to be, by the way, then the next big, this kind of sort of video. The following videos will just be like vlogs and gear videos, like this Nordisk video I did. So if you enjoyed these, stay tuned for more of these, and if you liked all the short gear updates, these will come again in June, July, after I'm back from the outdoor fair in Friedrichshafen. Anyway, thanks for being here, sitting in front of the screen, be it small or big, and watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, because, well, that's free for you and it gives me a warm fuzzy feeling. And hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, so you can get future updates from this channel. So yeah, I'm now gonna go for a walk. It's sunny, -17 degrees. That's perfect weather. It's not t-shirt weather, but it's really beautiful outdoor weather. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Have a great weekend and see you next week for more videos.